Alright, so here's my lesson on Black Hearted by Polo G. If you don't mind, please hit the like and subscribe and the notification bell so I can keep making these videos for you all. Make sure you watch to the end of the video, and let's go ahead and get started. So what you want to do for this is just standard tuning, right? I'm playing kind of a little bit higher up the neck because I feel like that's just kind of a easier zone to play this riff in. And then of course the single note part is all on the high E string, so that's really easy, so I'll show you that as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with your index finger on the 9th fret of the low E and your ring finger on the 11th fret of the A. And what that gets you is just a simple 5 chord. It's a what would that be, a C sharp 5 chord, just a 2-note power chord. All right, and then what I was doing for the plucking is just a simple down pluck on the E and an up pluck on the A. You could probably just do all down strums if you want, down plucks like that, just downs if that's more comfortable for you. I was just going down up. So you just do that twice, right? And then you're gonna go slide that shape down to the 5th fret. So your index finger's on the 5th fret of the low E, ring finger's on the 7th fret of the A. So you're gonna go 9th fret to 5th fret, index finger 9th fret, index finger 5th fret. And then you got a little pause there. So then you're gonna jump up here to, you're gonna take that same shape, right? But you're just gonna move it down a string and back to the 7th fret this time. So now index finger is set on 7th fret of the A, ring finger 9th fret of the D. So now you're plucking the A and the D string. All right, and again, you can do down plucks if you want, or down, up, like I'm doing. And then you're gonna finish the riff off by just hopping that shape up to index finger 7th fret of low E, ring finger 9th fret of A. So all together we've got a little slower. All right, so that covers that part, and I believe that piece just kind of repeats throughout the song. Then we've got the little lead line, so I'll just play it one more time, then I'll show you. So we've got and that's one to listen to as well. Like if you want to get the rhythm just perfectly right, I would say listen along to the track and then just play that riff and try to line it up, and that way you'll get it right. So we're just starting with open E, open high E. So this whole thing's just played on the high E string. So you're going and just index finger. You just need your index finger to play the whole riff. So you're going open E, 2nd fret of E to 4th fret of E, right? Then you're going to jump up here to 7th fret. Okay. Then open E again, 2nd fret, 4th fret. So that whole piece. All right. Then the second time through, you start it out the same, open E, 2nd fret, 4th fret. But this time you go, so that's 2nd fret, 4th fret, 7th fret, 4th fret. So all of it from the top. So we got one more time. Alright, so that should be all the pieces you need for this song. Go ahead, hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video.